Take a ride in the 2022 LC. The Lexus LC is a luxury coupe like no other. Design, performance, and handling all make this vehicle stand out in a crowd. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.